like I'm more than a chef. I'm like an architect.
I have faith in you. Okay. Oop this out, oop this out, ooh, hit it. Oop this out, oop this out, ooh, hit it. Oop this out, oop this out, ooh, hit it. Oop this out, oop this out, ooh, hit it.
I have a title sequence. I did that. Hope quarantine has been good for you guys, or good to you guys. Personally, these some days that are good for me, some days that are not so good, and some days that are horrible. But other than that, quarantine, you know, I'm like, no, quarantine is nonsense.
China, I must groove, bro.
But I got some work done, like the title sequence, so I'm very happy about that. Today I will be cooking, and you will be joining me in the carefree kitchen. Today I'll be cooking, quesadillas with the tortilla wraps, with the leftover chicken I have from yesterday. Yeah, so let's get into some things. So, as I said, I will be making some quesadilla with leftover chicken. Now I already cut the pepper and the onion, and yeah, I cut like half green pepper, half red pepper, and half of an onion. And I really like shredded the chicken, and I grated the cheese because I didn't want to make this forming process long. So because I love myself, I really did all of that. And we're just gonna start off by pan frying the peppers and onion. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can really
That's hot enough. That's hot enough. I'm coming up. Okay. I'm gonna record with the phone while I do this.
the flash on, and then going to
Wow!
hear that sound. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna coat this. I'm gonna coat it with some more oil. I don't think it's enough. I like when I cook, man. I cook with feeling, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I cook to enjoy my food. So if I feel like there's not enough oil, there's not enough oil. So I put more oil in. There's no specific ingredients. Wow, that I use. While that's popping in there, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of crushed garlic, and some pepper. They're always nice, just for tasting. I'm gonna put it lower because I think tablespoon or so I'm adding. Because then it's too much oil. Too much oil, so I add another. That's my laptop dying. Actually, I have my laptop here because I play music normally when I cook. But because of copyright, we ain't doing that. We ain't gonna do it. We ain't gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna add some water. Because this thing is frying at an alarming rate. Just gonna add just a bit of water. What I'm trying to see here is, you know, your onions are ready when they like translucent. They are see-through, yeah. They don't have that white. I don't know if you follow what I'm saying. Let me bring you guys closer again. Like you can see, it's not like white anymore. So you can see it's kind of cooked through. If you're not sure, you can always taste. I'm going to bring in a bit of cumin and a bit of paprika. I'm going to bring in the gels because I like spicy things. I'm only going to do a teaspoon of each. Added a bit of flavor. Let's add more water. Wow. Just a little more water. I think it's gonna help. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back on. It's gonna help the flavor stick in. It looks so beautiful. Minutes going to be going. Now I can switch it off. All the water is gone. I can smell the paprika. I can smell the cumin. I just feel like Jamie Oliver right now, guys. I just feel like Jamie Oliver. I'm going to pop it. I'm going to pop the chicken into the flavor. Tough. Deep. You're not getting it. So I just popped in the shredded chicken into the peppers and onion. What? No, I did not have to snap like that. Okay, we're gonna pop this back into the bowl. I'm coming to the camera. I want you to see her in her glory. I want you to see her. I wish you could smell. I'm gonna put in just like a teaspoon of like lemon juice. Have no clue why. Just put the lemon juice. I just feel like it breaks. Okay, I'm putting 2 teaspoons. Why not? We're here already. So then I just mix it. Oh! Disgusting! Yeah, I'm gonna put back the things I don't need, and I'm gonna wash this pan so I can use it. This is the part where it starts flowing. Now you start flowing. I'm gonna take some flora butter, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave like a teaspoon. Not even like half a teaspoon even. Plug it there. Whoa. Put it in the microwave for like till it melts. That was like 10 seconds. we heat up this thing again. We'll let it do its thing. Okay, while that's doing its thing, it's heating up quite quickly. We take the flour, we take the melted butter, we take the, brush, and we just coat it.
We can't coat no more.
We did that. That's done. Okay, it's done for one tortilla. We put it in there. I want to actually get a close up. Let me just record. Do that. And then we take the cheese. We add it to, let me see how it folds. Whoa, I hope it folds. We add the cheese to one side. I'm using some Gouda. Didn't have cheddar, so I'm using some Gouda. Then we take a bit of all of this. Let me give you a close up of the action that's happening here. Some action is happening here. Then we top it off with a little bit more cheese, just so we can make it bougie. Take a spatula and flip it over. Look at that. Who are you, darling? Where have you been all my life? Show that some love. So we're gonna do the same thing. Sorry, some peppers fell out. So we take our buttered there. The sound of cooking does something to me. I haven't cooked the same meal this whole lockdown, by the way. Haven't cooked the same. I get bored. So I can't like eating the same thing. No. When I can cook, no. We have some leftover chicken. You can really just eat this with bread. You can eat with bread. We don't have bread, as you can see. But we're going shopping, I think, tomorrow for essentials. So that shouldn't be a problem, should it? No. I want to make some guacamole on the side because I feel like this video is too long. So I'm just gonna plate it there. Oh, wow. What I have to do is I have to cut them in half. And there we have it, some Mexico in South Africa. Yeah guys, I really want to taste this. I really want to taste this now. But we have to get crit. So I'm gonna put in some crit now. Dad, this is your time to shine.
I've been shining for the last 45 years.
Oh my goodness.
Guys.
No, just can you taste one? You can even put some guac.
It's a mustard taster. Presentation, I'll give it 10%.
You okay?
10 out of 10, I mean.
Oh, thank you. Jeez.
And then the relish here is tasty. Probably I'm expecting a chili kind of arrow.
Just simple guac.
What's that?
Simple guacamole, nothing. How was it?
I was nicely surprised. My mind was wandering, but now the gaps has been filled. Delicious.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad.
Guys, thank you for joining me in the Carefree Kitchen. Stay beautiful, stay positive, please stay indoors and stay carefree.